Gonna make a holder to hold this bag. It's what we use for recycling bottles and cans. And I'm just gonna make a simple holder for it. So this bag is 23 inches. So if I make it 23 inches around, I should be able to have it stay on the top edge of that. I've got a bunch of these kind of connectors. I'll go around the edge and I'll go 13 by 10 for the base. That should give me just the right size space for the bag. And 2 of those should fit in the space that I have. Okay, so if this is at 13 for that shoulder, looks like it'll go 3/4 of an inch in. So again, if I put this at 13, measure the space between them. Okay, 9 1/4. So 10 3/4 should be the right length. So 10 3/4. We'll give that a test. This pipe is really pretty cheap, so if I mess it up, for one thing, I can use it for one of the shorter sections still. Okay, get it right on the line. And just cut that up. And for now, I'm not even going to glue them. Nice tight fit. Right at 13 inches. That worked great. Now, do that again. 10 3/4. Okay, I need to press that one a little bit more. All right. Now, I want 10 inches this way. So 10 inches there. And then this, plus 1.5 inches, so 6 1/4, so it'll be 7 3/4. So 2 pieces, 7 3/4. 7 3/4. Okay, so I need to squish it in a little bit more. Go another 1/4 inch. All right, check that. Okay, so that's kind of the plan, and I could use a couple of clamps here that would hold it into place. Okay, that works for that part. Okay, now I need some uprights, about 18.5. I'm going to start with 3 uprights and see if that will work. That way I can get the bag out of the corner. So if that looks like it'll work, then I'll need to change that one out or a regular L. Okay. I think that's worth a try. You can put that into place and see if that will work. This is what we're planning on having it out in the garage, and put 2 of them. I'll have to change this piece out to a regular L, and same with this top one, because I'm not going to be able to put a upright in there, because this will facilitate the big bulging bag getting out of that space. Otherwise it'll be kind of trapped in there. So that, I think, will work. Holds itself open. And I'll put another one right next to it. We can have 2 bags. And I'll leave the other support off of this side too. And we'll see if that works. All right, I'll put the other one together. I'll put both of them here. See what it looks like. Right, so then the other one can go right alongside it, and we'll still be able to get the bag out by going through this big space. So I think that will work for what we want for right now. We'll experiment with it, we'll try it, we'll find out.